Oh hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, got a new unboxing, or unbagging. Let's get straight into it. Here we go. What's that? And the shoe is, bang, quite possibly the best Nike blazer you can get. There you are. This is the Nike Blazer Low 77 vintage, and I used to own the mid pairs of this, and I decided that the mid pair was getting a bit old, so I decided to sell that off and try something new. Try this low pair. I've got the black version of this, so I know exactly how they fit and feel, but it'll be interesting to see when I do my on-feet look of this shoe how I find them. But they're looking super crispy, super clean. In my opinion, could be the best blazer you can get. So there you have it. Let me know what you think of the shoe. Do you already have a pair, or are you looking to buy a pair? So I will be doing an on-feet review of the shoe. That will give my honest opinion and thoughts of the shoe in the next coming video, maybe next week, and then obviously do a lookbook as well. And I know a lot of people like to see lookbook videos of a specific shoe, and I know this will be highly demanded. It's always a popular shoe, and I'm excited to bring those to you. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever those new videos come out in the future, you will know exactly when they're out. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.